What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the monogram using the Microsoft Designer. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to visit this designer.microsoft.com, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, this will be the home page of the Microsoft Designer. You'll see by this Microsoft Designer, you can generate the image, icon, and also the wallpaper, invitation, banner, poster, and also social media post, greeting card, sticker, monogram, coloring book page, and a lot of things over here. And for example, since we would like to create the monogram, so we will choose this one and it will direct you into this section. And as you can see, if you would like to create the project over here, this Microsoft Designer will give you 15 credits, and you can also get more credits by clicking this button if you want to. And this will be the price for the package to try this Microsoft Designer. There are the yearly and also monthly package. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can continue to buy now and do the payment. And for example, you can start to create the monogram over here. I will click this one. I want to create a colorful it has the of a well, also placed on the super fresh green grass, for example. And you can choose the size like this, whether they're from the square, portrait, or landscape. You can choose this ratio, and you can continue to click create. And as you can see, to create this pattern or create this monogram, it will consume 1 credit. And after that, you can continue to click create and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, by using this monogram, you can create, let's say, for the creating the logo purposes, and the logo usually maybe describe or portray into the one of the picture or the object, but also can be represented into the letter of your initial, for example. So this will be the example of the monogram. So this will be the colorful letter of G, has a pattern of ball, and also placed on the super fresh green grass. And you can start to click download if you like it, like this. Or you can also continue to do the editing, and you can start to modify every single thing over here. For example, you can remove the background, or you can also create the blurry effect, or also change the color, and also change the object transform. And for example, I wonder about this one, and I will select this object, let's say like this. And click move, for example. and kindly wait for the process. And after the working process, then you can start to download it and it will be officially saved into your device. Oh, isn't that cool, right? You can also move this object like this, but also it will leave the shadows over here. So you can start to explore more with this Microsoft Designer, and you can create everything from the scratch. Let's say for your design logo or maybe the poster, a lot of things out here. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.